Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW iX versus the Porsche Macan. Both are luxury SUVs, but they offer distinct driving philosophies. The BMW iX, an all-electric powerhouse, boasts up to 610 horsepower and can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds. In contrast, the gasoline-powered Porsche Macan provides up to 434 horsepower, with its quickest variant hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. This sets the stage for a fascinating comparison of performance and powertrain. Stepping inside, both vehicles offer luxurious cabins, but with different approaches to technology. The BMW iX showcases a futuristic interior with its expansive curved display, integrating a 14.9-inch touchscreen and the intuitive iDrive 8 operating system. The Porsche Macan, while also high-tech, features a 10.9-inch touchscreen with its renowned communication management system and wireless Apple CarPlay. Both SUVs prioritize comfort and connectivity, providing ample space for 5 passengers and a suite of advanced driver assistance features. When it comes to practicality and efficiency, these two SUVs diverge significantly. The all-electric BMW iX boasts an impressive estimated range of up to 324 miles on a single charge, coupled with a generous 77.9 cubic feet of maximum cargo space when the rear seats are folded. The gasoline-powered Porsche Macan, on the other hand, achieves up to 25 miles per gallon on the highway and offers 53.1 cubic feet of maximum cargo capacity. For daily use, the iX provides 35.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats, nearly double the Macan's 17.2 cubic feet. Ultimately, the choice between the BMW iX and Porsche Macan comes down to your priorities. The iX delivers a remarkably smooth and quiet electric driving experience, combined with surprising agility for its size. The Macan, true to its Porsche heritage, offers a more visceral and engaging ride, feeling like a sports car in SUV form. Both represent excellent value in their respective segments, blending luxury with performance. For those seeking an electric future with ample space, the iX shines. If a traditional, sporty gasoline SUV is more your style, the Macan delivers. Don't forget to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.